everybody, it's Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chalk. How's everybody doing today? We are super dark today and lopsided. Alright, so I'm gonna fix this. When you're jumping on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. Try that again. Today we are doing Let Your Heart Be Your Compass. I'll show it this way as I put us on a rocket ship or a boat or whatever. Also, I'll show it this way. And we're doing it on one of our house cutouts. Okay, so I have my pieces here. I'm just gonna get my iPad and share this out. If you could just do the same, that would be awesome. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Something snapped. That's not good. Alright. Let me see if I can get this going. Okay, so I am Chantel. I'm Telly's Talkin' Chalk. You can visit my stuff that's popping up. Sharing this out. When you're jumping on, let me know where you're coming in from. There we go. Push that back out. And we will get to jogging. I'm going to move this. So this is two pieces we're going to overlap. But first I'm going to do the house in black. I'm going to do the heart in red, and then I'm going to do the words in white. And we have a trusty dryer here. Am I back? Now I've lost it on my iPad.
There, it's coming back.
There we go. Christina, are you still there? Figures, the one time she catches me live and I've got no sound. No, no way. Okay, so hopefully she can move it back. Again. Oh, right here. Okay. I wasn't sure if she was even here because it says only 2 people. There's 3 a second ago, so. Awesome. How are you doing? We were having some technical difficulties, clearly. Some things were pausing and some things were doing whatever they like. So I'm just doing a base coat of black. Trying to make it as even as I can. Some places are just not taking it as easy. Again, I'm only using chalk because this is wood. We don't really need to use paste because we don't really need to use ink on wood because we're not going to be washing it. So we did the black base. I'm going to put the lid on. That down. Now I'm going to just dry this with my dry tool. That's one. Huh, I wonder what that is. Did you go out and come back in? Yeah, I must be having some kind of issue. She's saying my camera's not working. So I'm gonna put this down. Yeah, Facebook. I don't know. Must be doing something. Or it's our systems in the background. One of the two. It was having a hard time loading earlier too, so that could be a thing. Okay, so we're making sure that there's no bubbles. I've already used this, so I'm actually not fuzzing it. Normally you would fuzz. Have another squeegee. Hey Katrina, how are you? So I just mixed this with distilled water, so it's kind of still quite wet. So I'm just splashing red in my face. Goodness. I'm gonna go into a meeting with red paint on my face. Not go wash my face. What's everybody up to today? Oh, I'm just gonna do this. And actually the bottom part of this one this time. Last time I did this image, I forgot the bottom part, but it actually looked pretty good considering she didn't have the tip of the heart. Alright, we're gonna scrape up all the excess. If you haven't already, like and follow my business page, check out my VIP group, Telly's Talk and Chalk VIP. You can also find me on Instagram and YouTube. Oh, Telly's Talk and Chalk. There's the red. I'm gonna leave the top off that so it dries up a little bit. And take this part off. And I'm gonna dry this again. Make sure the red doesn't come up. The black came up a little bit, so clearly I didn't dry it as much as I needed to. Okay. And the red's gonna take longer because I put water in it, so we're just gonna do this a minute. Let me know what you guys are up to. More people jumping on. Let me know where you're coming in from. I'm gonna get red all over my hand now. It's okay. Now I look like I'm eating. Alright, so now we're gonna get our last piece. Put it. Now this is where we have to line this up. So this could take me a minute. Trying to think. This goes right there. I think that's right. I'm gonna do this and see. Looks like it's in it. Could be a little off, but that's okay. Oops. Off the top. Heather, how are you? Guys, go to tellytalkandchalk.ca if you want to see any of my finished pieces that I've created. It's not all updated, but you will see some. If you like any of them, please message me and I will get back to you. You will also be able to get to the business site that way as well. Order your own stuff, have it delivered to you. We have a new catalog launching in 2 days. I'm so excited. I've seen so much. There's one whole page I want. There's about 4 things on it, and I'm like, I need it. So this was 3 layers that I've done. So if you just jumped on, you can go back and watch the replay. There we go. Nice. Go make yourself a drink. Use all the yummy teas. On over. Okay. There we go. And let's see how close I was. Oh, I was off. Oops. Maybe not. Maybe I was supposed to. No. It's a little off. That's okay. It actually looks like it's outlined, so it's not bad. I'm just gonna put this back. I had it twisted a little bit, it looks. Yes. Yes, yes. Losing a pet is never easy. Yeah, my heart goes out to her and the kids. And the hubby. Alright, so I just put that on the back. But this is our cute little design. Oh. Paul's not looking, so he's not telling me that I'm wrong in my space. Yeah, I know. I have half of it off the screen for a minute. And then I go too far that way. Jeez. Alright. Oh, I switched it. Alright. Now he's got me all confused. I don't know what I'm doing. And clearly he wants to show that off. And I have no idea. There we go. That is our finished project. I will be back again tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday, so we will be back again at 5 o'clock Eastern. And I will see you then.